The benefits of using AI software in today's world. Introduction. What if you could enhance productivity, make smarter decisions, and streamline complex processes, all while saving time and resources? This isn't a futuristic dream, it's the reality of artificial intelligence, AI software. AI is transforming the way we work, live, and innovate. From automating mundane tasks to offering insights from vast data sets, AI software is a game changer across industries. But what exactly are the benefits of using AI software, and why should you consider incorporating it into your life or business? Let's explore. 1. Automation and efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of AI software is its ability to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Traditional methods of task management often involve human oversight, which can be time-consuming and prone to mistakes. AI software eliminates these inefficiencies. For instance, consider industries like manufacturing or logistics. AI-powered robots can handle repetitive tasks like assembly or packaging, working around the clock without fatigue. In an office environment, AI tools like robotic process automation, RPA, streamline data entry, payroll processing, or invoice management. This allows employees to focus on higher-value tasks that require creativity and critical thinking. The benefits extend to personal use as well. Tools like AI-powered scheduling assistants can organize your calendar, send reminders, and even book appointments, all without you lifting a finger. By automating mundane tasks, AI not only improves productivity, but also enhances the quality of work by reducing errors. 2. Enhanced decision-making with data analytics. AI software excels at analyzing large volumes of data quickly and accurately. This capability empowers businesses and individuals to make data-driven decisions that are not only faster, but also more reliable. For example, in marketing, AI tools analyze consumer behavior, predict trends, and optimize campaigns for better performance. Platforms like Google Analytics use AI to provide actionable insights, helping businesses understand their customers and refine their strategies. Similarly, in healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools can process patient data and suggest treatment plans, often with greater accuracy than human doctors. Beyond business, AI analytics tools can also help individuals make smarter financial decisions. AI-driven personal finance apps analyze spending habits, recommend budgeting strategies, and even predict future expenses. By leveraging AI software, users can gain insights that were previously inaccessible, enabling better decision-making in every aspect of life. 3. Personalization and customer experience. AI software has revolutionized the way businesses interact with their customers by offering highly personalized experiences. Through machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze customer preferences, predict needs, and tailor interactions accordingly. E-commerce platforms like Amazon or Netflix are prime examples. They use AI to recommend products or content based on past purchases or viewing history, creating a seamless and engaging user experience. Similarly, AI-powered chatbots provide instant customer support, addressing queries and resolving issues in real time, 24/7. This level of personalization extends to education and training as well. AI-driven learning platforms like Duolingo adapt lessons based on a learner's progress and weaknesses, ensuring a tailored educational experience. By enhancing personalization, AI software helps build stronger relationships and satisfaction across various domains. 4. Cost savings. While implementing AI software often involves an upfront investment, the long-term cost savings can be substantial. By automating tasks, reducing errors, and optimizing operations, AI minimizes waste and maximizes resource efficiency. In industries like energy, AI software optimizes energy consumption, reducing costs and environmental impact. Smart thermostats powered by AI, for instance, learn user habits and adjust settings to conserve energy. Similarly, in agriculture, AI systems analyze weather patterns and soil conditions to optimize irrigation and fertilization, cutting unnecessary costs. For businesses, AI-powered customer service tools reduce the need for large support teams, while predictive maintenance in manufacturing minimizes costly downtime. By streamlining operations and improving efficiency, AI software becomes a cost-effective solution over time. 5. Accessibility and inclusivity. AI software has the potential to make technology more accessible, breaking down barriers for individuals with disabilities or those in underserved communities. Tools like voice recognition, text-to-speech, and real-time translation apps leverage AI to enhance communication and access to information. For example, AI-powered accessibility features like Apple's VoiceOver or Google's Live Transcribe allow visually impaired or hearing impaired individuals to interact with technology seamlessly. Similarly, AI-driven language translation tools like Google Translate bridge communication gaps, enabling global collaboration and interaction, or video producing software like Scalability. By fostering inclusivity, AI software empowers individuals and creates opportunities that were once unavailable, making the world more connected and equitable. 6. Creativity and innovation. Contrary to the fear that AI might stifle creativity, it has proven to be a powerful tool for enhancing it. AI software can generate ideas, provide inspiration, and even create content, pushing the boundaries of human creativity. In the arts, AI tools like DALL-E and Midjourney create stunning visual art based on user prompts, while platforms like ChatGPT assist in brainstorming and writing, and software like Scalability produce stunning videos. In the music industry, AI software composes original melodies or enhances production quality. Similarly, in design, AI-powered tools generate prototypes, suggest layouts, or optimize user experiences. By taking over repetitive or technical aspects of creative processes, AI frees up creators to focus on their vision and innovation. This collaboration between human ingenuity and AI capabilities leads to groundbreaking advancements across fields. 7. Enhanced security. AI software plays a critical role in enhancing security, both online and offline. Cybersecurity tools powered by AI can detect and respond to threats in real time, protecting sensitive data and systems from potential breaches. For instance, AI-driven fraud detection algorithms monitor financial transactions for unusual patterns, helping prevent fraud and identity theft. In physical security, AI-powered surveillance systems use facial recognition and behavioral analysis to identify potential threats, ensuring safety in public and private spaces. By staying ahead of evolving threats, AI software provides a robust defense against risks, fostering trust and reliability. 8. Scalability and adaptability. AI software is highly scalable, making it an ideal solution for businesses and individuals looking to grow or adapt to changing needs. Unlike human resources, AI tools can handle increased workloads without compromising performance. For businesses, this means being able to scale operations seamlessly during periods of growth. For example, an AI-powered chatbot can handle thousands of customer queries simultaneously, eliminating bottlenecks and ensuring consistent service. Similarly, cloud-based AI solutions can expand or contract based on demand, offering flexibility and cost efficiency. In personal use, AI-powered tools like digital assistants adapt to user behavior over time, becoming more efficient and intuitive. This adaptability ensures that AI remains a valuable resource, no matter the scale or context. 9. Continuous learning and improvement. One of the most remarkable features of AI software is its ability to learn and improve over time. Through machine learning, AI systems analyze past performance and adapt to new data, becoming more effective and accurate. This capability is particularly beneficial in dynamic environments like healthcare or finance, where conditions and variables are constantly changing. AI diagnostic tools, for instance, refine their accuracy with each case they analyze, while financial AI systems adjust predictions based on market trends. By continuously evolving, AI software ensures that users benefit from cutting-edge technology that adapts to their needs and the changing world. Conclusion: AI software is revolutionizing the way we live and work, offering unparalleled benefits in automation, decision-making, personalization, and more. From saving time and money to enhancing security and creativity, AI empowers individuals and businesses to achieve their goals more effectively. While challenges remain, the potential of AI to transform our world is undeniable. Embracing AI software isn't just an option, it's a necessity for staying competitive and thriving in an increasingly digital age. So, how will you harness the power of AI in your life or business?